RGB RAM enhances system aesthetics while delivering fast memory performance and smooth multitasking for modern PC builds. Today's video is about top 5 best RGB RAM that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Corsair RGB RAM. This RGB DDR5 RAM combines stunning aesthetics with high-performance memory capabilities, making it an excellent choice for modern gaming and enthusiast PC builds. Featuring dynamic 10-zone RGB lighting, each module includes individually addressable ultra-bright LEDs inside a panoramic light bar, creating vibrant illumination from any viewing angle. The onboard voltage regulation allows for easier, more precise, and stable overclocking through Corsair ICUE software, giving users better control over performance tuning. With AMD EXPO compatibility, it supports higher frequencies and optimized overclocking for compatible systems. Designed for maximum bandwidth and tight response times, this memory kit delivers smooth performance for gaming, content creation, and demanding applications. While achieving maximum speeds may require BIOS adjustments and depends on other system components like the motherboard and CPU, this RAM provides excellent upgrade potential. Combining advanced features, reliable performance, and customizable RGB lighting, it is a great choice for users seeking both speed and style. Now our second product is Lexar RGB RAM. The Lexar THOR Z Series RGB DDR5 RAM 32GB kit delivers a powerful combination of speed, stability, and style for high-performance PC builds. With a blazing 6000 MHz frequency and low CL38 latency, this 2x16GB kit provides excellent bandwidth for gaming, multitasking, and professional workloads. Its sleek sandblasted aluminum heatsink offers efficient thermal management while adding a premium look to any setup. The enhanced RGB lighting delivers vibrant, customizable effects that can synchronize with other components for a stunning gaming environment. Built with on-die ECC and an integrated PMIC, this memory ensures improved data reliability, efficient power management, and long-term system stability. Supporting both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD EXPO, it makes achieving optimized speeds simple on compatible DDR5 platforms. Whether you are upgrading a gaming rig or creating a powerful workstation, the Lexar THOR Z Series RGB DDR5 RAM provides the performance, durability, and visual appeal needed for next-generation computing. Our third product is Timetec RGB RAM. This RGB DDR4 gaming memory module delivers a great balance of performance, customization, and reliability for PC enthusiasts. Featuring an aluminum heat spreader and 8 RGB LED zones per module, it adds vibrant lighting effects while helping maintain stable temperatures during intensive use. The memory supports popular RGB synchronization platforms, including Asus Aura Sync, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, MSI Mystic Light, and Ashrock Polychrome Sync, allowing seamless customization with your existing setup. With DDR4 3200 MHz speed, CL16-18-18-38 latency, and XMP 2.0 support, it provides fast performance and easy one-click overclocking through BIOS settings. Compatible with both AMD and Intel DDR4 motherboards, this unbuffered non-ECC memory is suitable for a wide range of gaming and performance builds. QVL approval from major motherboard manufacturers adds extra confidence in compatibility and stability. Overall, this RAM kit is an excellent choice for gamers seeking reliable speed, eye-catching RGB lighting, and long-term durability. Now number 4, G.Skill RGB RAM. The G.Skill Trident Z RGB DDR4 memory kit is an excellent choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts looking to enhance performance and style. This 16GB kit includes two matched 8GB modules, delivering DDR4-3200 speeds with CL16-18-18-38 timings at 1.35V for smooth and responsive system performance. Designed for desktop PCs and gaming systems, it features non-ECC DDR4 UDAMM technology with a 288-pin design for reliable compatibility. The built-in Intel XMP memory profile makes overclocking simple, allowing users to achieve optimized speeds with compatible motherboards. Its vibrant Trident Z RGB lighting adds a premium look and can elevate any custom PC build. For the best results, users should install the matched kit together and check G.Skill's QVL or RAM configurator for validated compatibility. Combining speed, reliability, and eye-catching design, this memory kit is a strong upgrade for modern gaming and performance-focused systems. And our last choice is G.Skill RGB RAM. The G.Skill Trident Z RGB DDR4 memory kit delivers a powerful combination of performance, capacity, and premium aesthetics for gaming and high-performance desktop builds. Featuring 32GB total capacity with two matched 16GB modules, it runs at DDR4-3200 speeds with CL16-18-18-38 timings at 1.35V, providing smooth multitasking and responsive performance for demanding applications. Built with non-ECC DDR4 UDAMM technology and a 288-pin design, it offers reliable compatibility with a wide range of desktop platforms. The included Intel XMP memory profile makes performance tuning simple, allowing users to achieve optimized speeds with compatible motherboards. Its signature Trident Z RGB lighting adds a stylish touch to custom PC setups while maintaining G.Skill's reputation for quality and stability. For the best experience, users should install the matched kit as provided and verify compatibility through G.Skill's QVL or RAM configurator. Overall, this memory kit is an excellent choice for gamers, creators, and enthusiasts seeking dependable DDR4 performance with stunning RGB design. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.